In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change image resolution, DPI, in GIMP. Perfect for beginners who are just diving into the world of digital imaging and editing. Whether you're looking to print a clearer photo or resize an image for a specific purpose, adjusting the DPI in GIMP is an essential skill. So let's get started by diving right into the GIMP interface and exploring how you can adjust the resolution of your images effortlessly. First, open the image you'd like to work with. This can be done by navigating to the File menu and selecting Open, then simply browsing through your files and choosing the correct image. Once your image is open, you'll immediately see it displayed in the GIMP workspace, ready for editing. Next, to change the image resolution, we need to adjust the print size, which is directly tied to the DPI, or dots per inch. Start by heading over to the Image menu located at the top of the screen. From there, look for and click on the Print Size option. This is the setting that lets you modify the resolution details of your image. Now it's time to enter a new DPI value. DPI stands for dots per inch, and it defines how many dots will be printed per inch of your image. A higher DPI generally means better image quality, especially for printing purposes. A common standard for print is 300 DPI. So in the DPI field, type in your desired resolution. If you're aiming for professional print quality, 300 DPI is a great choice. However, if your needs are different, feel free to adjust accordingly based on your specific project requirements. Once you have entered the new DPI setting, it's important to apply these changes. Take a moment to ensure everything looks correct, and then proceed by exporting your updated image. To do this, navigate to the File menu again and select Export As. Choose a name and a format for your file. JPEG, PNG, and TIFF are among the popular options depending on your usage needs, and then save it to your desired location on your computer. And that's it! You've successfully changed the image resolution in GIMP. Now your image is prepared with the right DPI settings, whether you're preparing it for print or just ensuring it meets your specific specifications for other projects. Adjusting DPI in GIMP is a straightforward process, but remember, the quality is often tied to the resolution you set, so be mindful of your project's needs. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to experiment with different images and DPI settings to get a better feel for how these changes can affect image quality. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing.